Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see an HP printer. This is the model number HP-2710. In this we find some difficulty in the installation this printer. If some of them if know about the installation means it's very easy, and if not means this installation is little difficult. Let's find before the software we can download it very easily, but it's direct installation is showing. And let us see about this. First of all, we see about this printer. You can see this one. If it will show, if there is any red light, it's showing here. You can just cancel the page like that. And this is for Wi-Fi. This is about details about this printer you can take. And this one about to color scan like a color for scanning, and this is for black. And here there is a power switch, and this indication it will show if it's this LED is blinking means it will show the color is cartridge is low, and if this is blinking the black it will show. Here it's showing black only and it's color both. If anyone is finished, the light indication will be showing here, and the cable which is connected back, which is communicating with the computer, and it's a power cord which I didn't connect, and the some paper I inserted over here. And here you can see from here this is the both cartridge, and the cartridge number is you can see this 305. To insert the cartridge you can remove like this, and we can put the new cartridge, or those who are installation for first time you can do it like this. And advantage of this printer is it's very small, and Wi-Fi is available, and printing scanner everything is available. It's all in one. And the disadvantage is the paper which you are printing, it will be very less, like you can get for one cartridge. If continuously printing means up to 75 to 85 like this, if you are continuously printing. And if you are printing like after 5 days 4 days means the printing paper will be coming less, because this is an inkjet. And if you are long time, if it's not printing, the under that printing place like this, like we can see the like this place, it will be closed and you have to buy a new one. Or you can clear the block from here, but it will cost service charge will be high, and for that price you can buy a new cartridge if it's less price. And you can refill also this one, it's very easy to refill. This is the advantage and disadvantage of this printer. And let us see the installation, how it's done very easy. And two method, you can install through wireless and wire. The installation of wireless, while you select for I will show you in the installation that screen, while screen record I will explain you how, because morely I will tell you. While the installation from the directly you can get it's directly go to App Store to download the software. From there you can it will be connect with your Wi-Fi which is available in your house or office. After connecting it will be finish its own. And most of them, if we don't have the internet and you want to use the USB cable, and the installation method too, I will show you how we can download and install this printer. It's a very easy method. Let us see in the screen recording, we can see. Now let us see the installation and downloading software. And before that I have connected the printer with printer and the power supply, and with computer. And just my Wi-Fi is connected, and here you can see direct 330 HP DeskJet 2700 series. This installation is very easy while Wi-Fi. While downloading this software and the installation it's little some of them finding very difficult. You can see from the first page itself like HP DeskJet 2710 all in one printer. From here we can click this one, and most of them it's while you open this one, and you can see HP Smart App completes setup and support over here. And while we click the install button, you can see where it's going. It's already I said you, it's directly going to App Store. Get into Store app to download this application. It is also very easy method, but those who are finding and find this installation, sometime it will be very difficult. And why I'm telling difficult means those who don't know the installation and those who are trying to install this printer, they find it difficult on this installation while connecting with communicating with the wireless, and they are asking the pin number. Sometimes the people, those who cannot enter or they cannot see where is the pin number. And this is the one method. Those who know about the installation and about the computer, it's very easy. Can communicate with those who communicate those who have Wi-Fi in the office or in the house. It will be very easy. And now the second thing, we are seeing how to connect via USB and the installation, how we are going to do. And let us come back one more time and just we'll see. And we can see like this, and diagnostic tool, fix installation and driver installation software and full like this. And you can click the plus button, and we can download this one from here. You can download it, and I have clicked the download option. We can wait for, already I downloaded, maybe it shows yeah, I can see here already I downloaded, but it's showing the second file, it's downloading exe file. Let us wait for to finish this download. And it's very easy, but the first method which I said you, it's difficult for the installation. The people who can always they are working with computer and everything, they can do it very easily, and some of them it's not possible. Let us open this folder, and it's you can see 2 pack here already I downloaded. Just open which we download just now, and let us see the installation. We have to wait a little time in between. Just click S button. Please wait while we load printer setup, and we can select the continue button. After that, this is asking about sharing some details about like this. At present we are not going to share any details. We can just click no button, and again they will ask some 2-3 steps for sharing some details like that. Now we can, wireless network option is available, USB cable is available. You can click over USB cable and continue, and the printer is currently connected like this, and you can give continue. Next option. Checking your software needs, and already we connected the internet also. If some drivers, if they want it, they will download it automatically. Let us see. You can see, you can select the option auto update and apply. Launching software. While launching software, everything will be closed, and automatically it will appear the installation screen. Just agreement for the installation, give accept, and it's asking to share some details to like HP product like that. At present it's not must to share anything, so no thanks. Same I like, in order to improve some services like this, and giving no thanks. And now the installation is running. One of 8 step is there to installation, means we don't want to do anything for like a next or some changing setup like that, nothing. We have to wait till to complete one of 8 steps for the installation to complete. will be finishing soon, it won't take more time. Now 4, next 5, 6, 7 and 8. Almost the installation is done. And yes, connect my device to the internet. At present no, thank you. That we can give continue. After the installation is completed, we can see this product which is installed and appeared on the desktop. This is for a scanner. If you would like to scan any like a document directly to the computer, you can select this option. The software is installed and your device is connected. Register my printer. At present we are not going to register anything. Just close the screen. Now the installation is completed. While completing the installation, you can see these options. It's appearing on the desktop like HP desktop 2700 series and like this. If you want to scan anything, just open this one and you can scan like save as and PDF, save as and JPEG like this. At present I am going to keep one paper inside, and let me explain you how to, already some paper is inside. Let me explain you how to add at present like a for one like a single document like a PDF, and just save as in PDF, just give scan. After giving scan, next document also you want to include on the same like a single like a document like 4 or 5 pages like a single file, and that also I will show you how we can do it. At present now it's scanning. Now it's scan completed. After completing, if you want to rotate the pages, you can do it from here itself. Don't want to again take the paper and keep it like a rotate and again scan. Don't want to do it again. If you, and after that increase the contrast, brightness, everything for a scanned document, you can do it. And you can see from here like a plus symbol. If you click the plus symbol, and it will you can, after selecting the plus symbol, you can keep the new document on the scanner and select the option scan. While we complete the scanning, the two document we can make it like a single file. Now the two document is available here. You can just give save, and desktop, just save as in PDF. Now the document is saved and the document name is scan. Let us open. This is the scanner like a two files. You can see 1/2. This is how to scan while using this printer. This is about the installation, and we have to check whether the printer is connected properly, like we can give the test page or something like that. And where is its printer? Here, over here, and we can go for this printer properties. After printer properties, we can give test page. Let us see whether it's printing. Let me print, let me select the print option. Can see now it's printing in the test page. So the printer is communicating with the system. This is how to install via USB. And I said you the installation through wireless also, it will be very easy, nothing difficult on the installation. And so why I show like USB means many 2-3 person they came, they couldn't find the USB installation, only they can directly go into the app store. That's why this video I'm showing how to install and download and install via USB. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and support my channel. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, see you.